Well, we got our mini splits in yesterday. We have most of the materials we need, so we started on putting those in today. They've had to leave little openings in their walls as they've been drywalling so we could get those in, part of the supply issue. But they're working on that. We got our mud ring going in now, and they'll get their gas lines, their communication wire, their condensate line, and then we'll be able to insulate and get some drywall on there. A cool AC cooler and a heater, and you can have 1, 2, or 3, up to 3 mini splits off of one compressor, and it's just a more efficient way of heating smaller spaces and homes. And so each of our modules come with a mini split in them. Yeah, so they're set in a bay in the studs, and they're just. I went over them with that. I went over it with them in class, and they seemed to had some good questions about what to do. Seem like they have a good understanding and are just going for it. So yeah, a mini split happens like once, and it's not a real laborious activity. So it happens in a short amount of time. We will have our AC guys come in and do a little demo on it for them to understand the process of the AC unit and talk about charging the gas lines and how that all works. But yeah, it's a simple process. They just have to have a mud ring in place. They have to have these lines in place, and then they can insulate and cover it up. And then we forget about it until we get to the finishing. It's one of the last few things to go on. We put the template on that holds up the actual mini split.
Hi, Isabel. How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm good, thank you. Elijah. I don't know. I'm good, brother. How you doing, man?
So right now they're getting ready to set their copper gas lines for the mini splits, and they got their mud ring in, they got their opening. They're going to strap in their, don't forget your communication wire hanging down low. They're going to strap that in, and they have that running out. But this over here is our mini split, and it's really, this doesn't go in till one of the last things.
Sorry.
Right now they're doing.
This doesn't go into what?
Till one of the last things before we're finished with the house. So after drywall, texture, painting, trim, after all of that, then we'll start putting that in. We'll put the little template on and we'll hang it. But right now they're working on the behind the wall piping and taking care of all that so that they can just hang that up and get that taken care of. Yeah, anytime we have cloud coverage, it's just great to be able to get on that roof and get it done before the rains come. So the weather's nice, the cloud's giving them shade, and they aren't going to get worn out as easily. So it's good. Yeah, really they are a flat roof, but they have it's kind of a parapet roof. It's not a true parapet, true parapet would go up above the side of the plywood, but this is just the plywood's on top of that. It's really a flat roof sloping to a scupper. These 4 out here, we've had to work on the roof already. All the 16 in there, we haven't worked on those roofs. Well, so now the ones out here that have put on the roof knows how to do a roof. So when they get helping their classmates inside, they're excited because they know what to do and they know how to do it. And so that's the benefit of teaching, is that you see that come to, the light goes on, they get excited and they help someone else. We're a couple weeks behind, I think, at this point. Just run into some supply chain issues, but they're still working hard, doing good, and we're going to try to make up some time as we get closer to the end of this, and then also in the other builds. Part of the process is that they've never done things. So once they've done it once, the next time it just goes faster. So we're looking for knowledge. Knowledge is represented by a light bulb. You're getting light and knowledge, if you will, ideas coming. And that box, getting out of the box, right? Think outside the box. And yet we're building the box. We're building the building. So it's having those bright ideas while building and constructing and making things better.